When it comes to embarking on multi-day forest expeditions, few locales rival the allure of the Magoebaskloof region. Nestled within the Limpopo province of South Africa, the Magoebaskloof mountain range boasts a tapestry of indigenous forests, cascading waterfalls, and breathtaking vistas. In this verdant realm, a plethora of trails beckon the adventurous spirit. Among them, the illustrious Magoebaskloof hiking trail stands as a witness to nature's grandeur. Spanning a sprawling 50 kilometers, it emerges as the longest trail in the vicinity, offering a transformative journey that unfolds over the course of 3 to 5 days. In the depths of the Magoebaskloof lies an indigenous forest, often mislabeled as tropical, when in truth it belongs to the esteemed category of Afromontane forests. These majestic realms grace the lofty heights of mountain ranges across sub-Saharan Africa, distinguished by their cooler climes and distinctive wet and dry seasons. The confusion surrounding their classification is understandable, for Afromontane forests share similarities with their tropical counterparts, such as a dense vegetation cloaked in multiple canopy layers, a kaleidoscope of biodiversity teeming with diverse flora and fauna, and the enchanting presence of strangler vines and epiphytes, plants that thrive upon others. Above, the skies are adorned with the graceful flight of majestic raptors and the vibrant plumage of songbirds, offering a spectacle for avid birdwatchers. Venturing deeper into the indigenous forests reveals a world teeming with life, where elusive creatures such as bushbuck, blue duiker, and agile samango monkeys dwell in the dappled shade. Spiders spin intricate webs, their vibrant colors and delicate patterns a mesmerizing sight amidst the forest's undergrowth. The map of the Magoebaskloof hiking trail unfolds with promise, revealing 4 distinct day trails, a testament to the rugged beauty awaiting discovery. With determination coursing through our veins, we embarked upon 3 of these trails, each promising its own adventure and challenge. Our journey commenced on Friday, tracing a path from the tranquil confines of the Broederstroom hut to the welcoming embrace of the De Hoek hut. Under the unforgiving gaze of a relentless sun, the day unfolded with merciless heat, the mercury soaring into the 30s. Yet, amidst this sweltering heat, the forest canopy offered a sanctuary, a refuge from the scorching rays of the sun. However, in exchange for this respite, we found ourselves enveloped in a cloak of humidity, the air thick and heavy, bearing the weight of moisture as though the forest itself exhaled with every breath. Within the embrace of the Magoebaskloof forest, the essence of the Afromontane flourishes. Here, indigenous giants like yellowwood and ironwood intertwine with introduced species amidst the towering pines of plantations. Having traversed this trail 3 years prior, I was well aware of the enticing natural swimming pool awaiting us near our destination, a refreshing oasis promising respite from the oppressive humidity. The mere thought of it provided solace amidst the stifling air. However, for certain members of our team, the anticipation proved too burdensome, leading to impromptu and somewhat comical attempts at seeking relief in any available water source, reminiscent of antics akin to plunging into a bathroom sink. Winding through dense forests, verdant pine plantations, and alongside babbling streams and majestic waterfalls, the trail creates a mesmerizing mosaic of natural splendor, inviting intrepid explorers to immerse themselves in the untamed beauty of the Magoebaskloof wilderness. As we had foreseen, just before arriving at our journey's end, we took pleasure in a revitalizing plunge into the inviting waters of this magnificent natural oasis. As Saturday dawned, we were greeted by a sunrise so breathtaking it seemed to paint the sky with hues of gold and amber. With the dawn's first light, our spirits lifted, eager for the day's journey ahead. After a relaxed breakfast, we embarked on our hike from the quaint De Hoek hut towards the Woodbush hut. Consulting the map, we opted for trail number 4, typically recommended for the reverse direction. This choice, however, meant facing nearly 12 kilometers of relentless ascent, a daunting prospect to say the least. Despite the unrelenting heat mirroring that of the previous day, the sanctuary of the forest once again provided solace from the sun's punishing rays. Along the way, the trail meandered alongside a babbling forest stream, offering glimpses of what could only be described as the epitome of Magoebaskloof's natural splendor. As we trekked along, immersed in the quietude of nature's embrace, occasional outbursts of oohs, ahs, and wows punctuated the air, a testament to the awe-inspiring beauty unfolding around us. The latter stretch of our journey veered us away from the tranquil murmurs of the forest stream, presenting a more formidable challenge. This time, there were no promises of a rejuvenating swim awaiting us at the trail's end. However, one tantalizing prospect ignited our collective imagination: the opportunity to lay eyes upon the world's largest planted tree, affectionately known in Afrikaans as grootboom. The Magoebaskloof forest stands as a testament to nature's bounty, boasting one of the highest concentrations of tree species per unit area in any temperate forest worldwide. Traversing this enchanting realm, one encounters a labyrinth of rivers, streams, and waterfalls, a lifeline to the flourishing flora that thrives in the moist embrace of their habitat. Along their banks and within the tranquil embrace of wetlands, ferns unfurl their verdant fronds, reeds sway in the gentle breeze, and water lilies bloom in a symphony of botanical diversity, enriching the tapestry of Magoebaskloof natural splendor. As we neared the trail's conclusion, we encountered the Seepsteen mule stables, a poignant reminder of the area's rich history steeped in forestry endeavors of yore. The moniker Seepsteen hails from Afrikaans, denoting soapstone, a soft mineral once fashioned into sculptures and carvings. At last we arrived at the majestic giant, revered in Afrikaans as the Grootboom. Towering above us stood the Eucalyptus saligna, christened the fourth king in the Magoebaskloof State Forest, its lofty stature reaching an astounding 83.7 meters. This arboreal titan claims distinction as the loftiest tree in Africa and holds the title of the tallest planted tree worldwide, as certified by the Guinness World Records in November 2021. Sunday marked the culmination of our trail adventure, as we set our sights on the Broederstroom hut where our journey had begun. Overnight, a dramatic shift in weather veiled the landscape in mist, heralding a day of unpredictable conditions. Little did we know, our forthcoming expedition would encompass the essence of all four seasons, painting our journey to Broederstroom with the varied hues of nature's whims. Yet, amidst this climatic flux, Magoebaskloof remained steadfast in its allure, presenting us with a trail that transcended earthly beauty. In the shadows caused by ancient trees, serpentine forms glide silently. The boomslang, the emerald green mamba, and the ponderous python, each a master of camouflage amidst the verdant foliage. We encountered sections of the forest bearing signs of significant disturbance. While my imagination conjured images of prehistoric beasts, my companions speculated more plausibly about the aftermath of tornadoes. Despite the uncertainty, the trail retained its ethereal beauty, a testament to the enduring allure of Magoebaskloof. Freshwater crabs and crayfish scuttle along rocky riverbeds, while kingfishers, herons and cormorants graze the banks, their presence a reminder of the delicate balance of life in this wondrous ecosystem. Near water sources, a cacophony of amphibious voices rises, a chorus of frogs and toads that herald the proximity of wetlands and streams. The brief jaunt from the Dap Noorder Dam to the Broederstroom hut ushered us along picturesque wetlands, offering a tantalizing glimpse of the waterfall hut across the way. Thus concluded our enchanting escapade in Magoebaskloof. Yet another weekend of hiking etched into memory alongside 10 other delightful enthusiasts of the trail.
Well, my heart knows me better than I know myself, so I'm gonna let it do all the talking. Came across a place in the middle of nowhere with a big black horse and a cherry tree. I fell in fear upon my back. I said, don't look back, just keep on walking. When the big black horse said, look this way, he said, hey lady, will you marry me? But I said, no, no. No, 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 I said